Got beef, got steak ho, got cheese, great A-ho, not lean, got me A1. Hey you guys, so if you want to know how I got my hair like this, go ahead and keep watching and I'll insert the clips here. Okay, so here I'm just taking my heat protectant spray and I'm gonna go ahead and finish blowing out my hair so that I can get a more sleek look when putting it into these two braids. Okay, so here y'all, originally I had planned to do something cute with these little side pieces. I was gonna like curl them or something. That ain't happen. You can ignore this step and just keep watching. Okay, so here you can see that I'm trying to get a clean part down the middle. I try to use my mirror to see, but then I just give up because I'm like, okay, I don't really care too deeply, as long as it looks somewhat neat. I use my extra virgin olive oil to go ahead and oil my scalp and my hair before pulling it into a low pony. And with that low pony, I'm gonna go ahead and slick it back with some Eco Styler gel and put it in a plait before my next step. Okay, so first you're gonna take the hair and detangle it, and then what I did was took it and attached it to my hair with a rubber band that's already coming with the hair. Wrap a little small piece of the hair around so it covers the rubber band, it covers where my real hair is. Then, this is really complicated, take the hair and cover it, fully cover the fake hair over your braid, and then start braiding as normal. Hopefully that makes sense. Then you can see I go back in and tug on the parts a little bit to give them a more fluffier look, to make them look neater than what I originally did them. Finally, the second to last step I do is go ahead and with some Eco Styler gel, some Gorilla Snot edge control, whatever you got, and slick my edges, or as slick as they can get. Lastly, I go ahead and tie my hair in a scarf to get it as flat as possible and to get those edges laid. And I go let this sit for probably about 20-30 minutes, and next you can see my final result. Hey you guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and like down below. Go ahead and hit that little subscription button down at the bottom. Comment, tell me what you liked, didn't like, what I could have did differently, what other styles you guys would like to see, maybe any kind of makeup looks, but I'm not that good at makeup, but just so y'all can see what that looks like. If you want to try that, or if you want to see any other styles that I've done, go ahead and comment that, what you want to see. Let me know, and thanks for watching.